As the longest running fully integrated solar team in the industry, we believe solar and backup power sets you free. With solar and the Tesla Powerwall, you'll protect your home with 24/7 backup power without the use of a generator. Store energy produced with your solar and use it when you want, when you need it. Whether that's charging your EV, using your favorite appliances at night, or keeping your home powered when the grid goes down.
Yeah, so having power is a blessing, right? We're spoiled in our society just to have power, but having backup power when you have natural disasters or situations that are out of your control. Somebody hits a telephone pole and knocks out your power for a couple hours or a day when your kid needs to get homework done or has a project that's due. It's important to have that backup power, and Freedom Solar gives you that opportunity.
As a Tesla certified premier installer, we know Tesla Powerwall is the backup solution you deserve to give you peace of mind in any situation. Ask Ahmed, one of our homeowners, how he powered through the storm.
Our entire neighborhood lost power for 47 hours. We were one of the few houses that still had power in the neighborhood. We spent the whole 47 hours on solar panels and power walls, and we're still generating electricity even with the solar panels covered in snow.
At Freedom Solar, we handle everything ourselves. From sales to design, permitting and installation, everyone is a tenured solar expert. We stand by our craftsmanship and sell only best-in-class products, which is why we're able to back all of our installs with a 25-year product, power, and workmanship warranty. We hold ourselves accountable and will bend over backwards to make sure we exceed expectations. Set yourself free with Freedom Solar and Tesla Powerwall. Power for the people.